Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make your Windows 11 desktop to look sleek and futuristic. In this tutorial I will show you how to customize Windows 11 with glass effects, transparent themes and modern UI tweak. No crack or unsafe tool required. Learn step by step how to add a glass effects on your taskbar, start menu and a windows for a beautiful aesthetic. Now, before we begin, there are a couple of things you have to take in care because these tools I have tested it in my device. It's working pretty good. There is no issue to it. It's look definitely beautiful and customize your desktop. It's give you a modern look which you can feel. So that's the reason you can spend more time with your system. So let's get started. Type in Google WindHawk, press enter. The websites you will see here, you need to click it, open it, and here you need to download the particular download file. Click the download button. It will get stored in your download folder. Click next and select the standard installation process. Click next and it will take some time for the installation to get finished. Once it get finished, it will give you the dashboard. In the dashboard itself there are a couple of options you will see. Click finish. Once it get done, this is the dashboard of the WindHawk. It will take some few seconds to browse. Click it. Windows 11 taskbar style. Click installed. Accept it. Once it get done, you need to enable from the setting itself. Give it couple of few more minutes. It's nearly done. Click finish. We need to install another menu from the browser itself. Click Windows 11 taskbar styler, install it, give it few more minutes. It's installing. You can see the installation is showing in progress. Once it get done, you need to enable it from the setting itself. So go to settings, select the translucence, click save settings. You need to go back, install this one, Windows 11 start menu styler, accept it. Give it few more minutes. The installation is being done. Go to settings, click translucent, save settings. We are already done this one. So there are a couple of more things you can install. The notification center where you get the notification in Windows 11. It make the notification as well the glass look. Go to settings, select translucence, save settings, close this one, check it here. You can see it's being transparent and it's look like a glass, right? So now we will next step we will go to search Rainmeter. We will install this one, download it from the download folder, run it, keep it standard installation. Next, install it. Now once it get finished, it will give you the dashboard. Here you can see couple of things is already showing in your desktop. So if you want, you can remove it. Simply go to uninstall, recycle, remove it. If you don't want any sort of widgets, if you like it, you can keep it. Let's say I want to use the recycle bin only, I'll keep it. Otherwise you can remove it, right? So once it get done, close it. Let's open it another tab. Over here we will type it. Okay, this is the Monterey Rainmeter. We need to install it. This is the version 2. Here is the widget, the clock. I want to show it in the desktop. I want to show the weather. I want to show the calendar as well. I want to show the music as well. It's up to you. Whatever the things you want, you can customize it as per your requirement, how you want. There is a appearance also. You make it dark, color, blur, light, and you can change the widget size. Let's say default is showing 75. I want to put it 30. The size will get reduced. It depends upon what size exactly you want to make it look elegant in your desktop. And the padding also, you can reduce the padding. It's up to you, like how you want to make the style. Close this one. Now another tab, open it. Okay, Robik Rainmeter. This is another theme. Actually, it's not a theme, it's called the skin. Install it. Now here you can see it will give you the options to change the language. Other thing, you can modify the clock as well. You can change the temperature. See, this is all appeared automatically. It look beautiful and more modern in Windows 11. So, what's your opinion? Do you feel like this is beneficial for your PC or laptop? You can make it very simple to use it and very much easier to installation process. If you don't like, this widgets, you can simply right click it and remove it. Right click it and remove it. You can do as well with this one as well. Remove it. Whatever the widgets you want, you can keep it. Else, you can remove it. If you feel like this tutorial has gave you good insight, give a likes and thumbs up. Thank you.